This is the fastest way to make broccoli you'll actually want to eat. Grab a pound of broccoli and toss in 2 cloves of garlic, grated, minced, or powder. Hit it with half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and give it a good mix. Now into an air fryer preheated to 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Shake halfway through. Easy, right? Here's the magic move. While it's still hot, toss on a quarter cup of shredded cheese. Mix it up and look at that. Crispy edges, tender inside, and done faster than the microwave. Tell me in the comments what cheese you'd throw on, Team Parmesan, Team Cheddar, or Team whatever's hiding in the back of the fridge. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because Mikey Conquers the Kitchen is just getting started. Another super easy air fryer recipe is dropping later this week. Don't miss it.